Hello everyone, this problem is of quantum mechanics from 2025 that states n denotes the eigenvector of the number operator for a particle of mass a in a one-dimensional potential v equals to half m omega square x square. So this potential is given that half m omega square x square and that denotes for simple harmonic oscillator. For the state vector psi t at t equals to 0 in this form, expectation value of x t is what? So that this is given that psi x at t equals to 0 is 1 by root 3 state 1 plus root 2 by 3 2. So this is normalized wave function because this mod square of this and mod square of plus mod square of this will be 1. So this is normalized wave function. Okay. Now we have to calculate xt. So at first we have to calculate psi x at t will be what? So we have to apply time evolution operator at this psi at t equals to 0. Okay. So what will be this? 1 by root 3 e to the power minus I E1 t by h card, as this is the state 1. So energy will be for this state, and 1 plus root 2 by 3 e to the power minus I E2 t by h card, E2 for this state, for the state 2. So energy for harmonic oscillator En will be for nth state n plus half h card omega. So E1 will be 3 by 2 h card omega and E2 will be 5 by 2 h card omega. So put the value of E in this. This is time evolution operator and this is time evolution operator. So 1 by root 3. Calculate this. E1 is 3 by 2 h card omega t by h card. So put e to the power minus I 3 by 2 omega t 1 plus root over 2 by 3 e2 5 by 2. So it will be e to the power minus I 5 by 2 omega t state 2. Okay. Now we have to calculate the expectation value of xt. So expectation value of xt will be what? Will be bra psi xt of x operator and psi get psi xt. And for harmonic oscillator, x operator is root under h card by 2m omega a dagger plus a, where a is raising operator, a dagger is raising operator and a is lowering operator. Put the value root over h card by 2m omega. This is psi xt, bra psi xt. So take complex conjugate of this. Okay, this side. So it will be 1 by root 3 e to the power minus I. So the conjugate will be I 3 by 2 omega bra 1 plus root under 2 by 3 e to the power I 5 by 2 omega t bra 2. Okay, and a dagger the x operator a plus a, and put the value of psi here. This is psi. So it will be 1 by root 3 e to the power minus I 3 by 2 omega t get 1 plus root under 2 by 3 e to the power minus 5 by 2 omega t get 2. Okay. Now we have to operate this operator on these two terms. So what will be this? Root under h card by 2m omega 1 by root 3 e to the power minus I 3 by 2 omega t bra 1 plus root under 2 by 3 e to the power, this will be plus I 5 by 2 omega t bra 2. Okay. Now look, when a dagger operates on it, this will give state 2. So it will be 1 by root 3 e to the power minus I 3 by 2 omega t, and a dagger acts upon 1, so it will be root 2 and the state 2, plus when a dagger acts on this state, it will give the state 3. So here in bra there are only state 1 and 2, so this need not be in our calculation. When a acts on 1, this will give 0, but here no 0 state here. And when a acts on this will give the state 1. So we will write only this state. You can write all these states, all the 4 states, when a dagger plus a acts on these states, but as in bra side, this is only state 1 and state 2. That's why I only write the state 2 and state 1 here. Okay, you can write all 4 terms. E to the power minus I 5 by 2 omega t and the state root 2 1. Okay, now 1 acts on this and 2 acts on this, so it will be root under h cut by 2a omega. When this term acts on this, it will give 2 by root 3, so 2 by 3 e to the power 3 by 2 omega t minus 5 by 2 omega t. So it will give e to the power minus I omega t, plus when this states acts on this, it will give also root 2 by 3 e to the power plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So it will give plus I omega t. Okay. So expectation value of x t is root over h cut by 2m omega into 2 by 3 into e to the power minus I omega t plus e to the power I omega t. Okay. So this is 2 cos omega t. So put the value root over h cut by 2m omega 2 by 3 into 2 cos omega t. So it will give 4 by 3 root under h cut by 2a omega cos omega t. Now check the options. 4 by 3 root over h cut by 2a omega cos omega t. So correct option will be option 2.